Hey guys, over here in Northwest DC, decided to make a stop before I went home tonight. It's probably about, I don't know, 9:30, 10 o'clock. We're gonna stop at Insomnia Cookies, pick up a dessert, and then head home. I'll let you know what they look like. It's a cookie spot here in the city. There are several locations, but they're open primarily to the late hours of the night, and it's a hot foodie spot, so I'll show you what they look like. Okay guys, me and my nighttime shenanigans in the city. We just got through with Insomnia Cookies and we got the goods. I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, 2 Insomnia Cookies, and they are $2 a piece. So we got the oatmeal and raisin. Oh, I just broke my chocolate chip. So soft and warm. And then this is the chunky chocolate. And they're very soft. They're hot out the oven. And they are fresh. Very tasty. And then I also got a pint of their vanilla ice cream. And it's for 2 cookies, and it's at $2 each, and scoop of ice cream for $2.50. My total was $6.50 plus tax, which is $6.89. Was it worth it? Well, yeah. I'm so sorry that this video is so dark, but it is nighttime. This place has got a good thing going on, I'm telling you. They have you standing outside the cookie shop where you have no choice but to smell it, the cookies baking. And the longer you stand there, the more cookies you want to order. But I refrained myself. I only got 2 cookies and a pint of ice cream, and I am about to enjoy myself to the fullest. As you can see, they are still lining up, coming from all directions to stand outside to wait until it's their turn, 2 people at a time, to go inside this cookie shop. Like I said, it's open till 3 a.m. It is now about 10 o'clock at night, and it will get busy and busier as the night go on, especially around 2 o'clock in the morning, and you probably can guess why. I had to find what I did with my spoon. Okay, so very thick vanilla ice cream. They did have a few more, not many flavors of ice cream. Cookies and cream, vanilla, chocolate, and there was one other one I can't remember. Nice and thick. That is a spoon. You can see the spoon bending as I'm trying to scoop it out. But that's delicious. So I am going to sit here as usual in my car and enjoy my fresh out of the oven, hot, gooey chocolate chip chunk ice cream and my pint of vanilla ice cream from Insomnia. What a treat here in Washington, D.C. See you guys later. Bye-bye.